All right, guys, so it's time to paint. I'm so excited. Jazz hands excited. All right, so we know that we can't just slap paint on there though. We have to use our watercolors in the right way. And we're gonna learn to mix up some earth tones. So, girls and boys, the first thing I'm gonna talk about is how to use our watercolor the right way. So watercolor, and if you listen to the word water and color, is meant to be used with lots of water. So I'm not gonna dig my brush in and use it like it's like wet paint, like the paint behind me. I'm gonna mix it up and get a mixture of water and paint on my brush. I'm also very gentle with my brush. I'm never digging into it. Another thing that I wanna make sure I do, or don't do, is mix paints here, okay? We want our colors to stay nice and pretty, where the red looks red and not like a big muddy mess. So we're gonna use our palette. And that's also gonna help us mix up some of those earth tones. So I am gonna work on my tree. Now, we are gonna be tempted to just go over here to the green and go straight to our tree, but that's not what we're learning. We're learning how to make mixtures of colors that look a little bit more natural. So I'm gonna swirl my brush around and then I'm gonna put a little bit of green on my palette. Then I'm gonna clean my brush because I want my paints to stay pretty. And I'm gonna add, getting crazy here, a little bit of red. Ooh, I noticed that my green is not as bright when I combine it with that red. It's more of an olive green, like my shirt here, more of an earth tone. But I don't have to stop there. I can keep mixing other colors into my green, like maybe a little bit of blue. And I'm gonna add a little more green. Now, I have a green that's not exactly like the green on my palette. And I'm gonna paint it on here. So the more earth tones you guys can mix and put into your work, the more sophisticated your landscape is gonna look. So try it out, have fun.